Hi students, today we are going to discuss the past continuous tense. The past continuous tense is used to describe an action which was going on or an action which was in progress at a point of time or an action which was in progress over a period of time or an action was in progress when another action took place or an action was in progress when another action was taking place. Let us see some examples. At 6 p.m. yesterday, he was typing in his office. So it shows an action was in progress at a particular point of time. At 6 p.m. yesterday shows a particular point of time in the past, and at that particular point of time an action was in progress. He was typing in his office. So this is a perfect example of how to use the past continuous tense. Let us see the second example. Throughout the morning he was watching the TV. Here we notice that an action was in progress over a period of time. Throughout the morning, it shows a period of time. So the action was in progress for a period of time throughout the morning. And let us see another example. Raju was sleeping when the phone rang. So here we say that an action took place when another action was in progress. So Raju was sleeping. An action was in progress. Then another action took place. The phone rang. Let us see another example. While the teacher was teaching, the students were talking. So here we say that simultaneously two actions were in progress. Here one thing we have to notice, when we talk about two events or activities that went on over the same period of past time, we can often use the past continuous or the past simple. Let us see an example. Sari was reading to the children while Rohit was washing up. Here we can say Sally read to the children while Rohit washed up. Both the sentences mean same, or it gives same meaning. Let us take another sentence. I was watching TV when my mother was preparing breakfast. This sentence we can say I watched TV when my mother prepared breakfast. Both the sentences mean same, or they give the same meaning. The only difference that we can make out from these two sentences, the simple past and the past continuous, is that past continuous shows an action was in progress, whereas the simple past shows a completed action. Let us see an example. When I was learning to drive, I was living with my parents. Here we can say that when I was learning to drive, so I was in the process of learning. At that time I was living with my parents. But when I say when I learned to drive, I was living with my parents, it shows that I completed the action of learning when I was living with my parents. Here we have to note that when we talk about two or more past completed events, that followed one another, we use the past simple, not the past continuous. Let us see an example. She got up when the alarm clock went off. So it is a simultaneous action. So she got up when the alarm clock went off. Alarm clock went off, then very soon she got up. It is an action almost simultaneous. We usually use the simple past rather than the past continuous to talk about repeated past actions. For example, we went to Kolkata 3 times last year. It is a repeated action. To show repeated actions, we use simple past. Another example, did you drive past her house every day? However, we can use the past continuous, particularly in spoken English, when we want to emphasize that repeated actions went on for a limited and temporary period of past time. We have already said that when a repeated actions or a habitual action had taken place in the past, we use simple past. But we can use past continuous, especially in spoken English, when we want to emphasize that repeated actions went on for a limited and temporary period of past time. For example, when Diganto was in hospital, we were visiting him twice a day. And also to talk about something that happened surprisingly often, we can use past continuous. For example, when the builders were here, I was making them cups of tea all the time. So here, to talk about something that happens surprisingly often. So it was not a very common thing. When the builders were here, I was making them cups of tea all the time. We often use the past simple in a narrative or a report or a story to talk about a single complete past event, and the past continuous to describe the situation that existed at the time. The event might have interrupted the situation or happened while the situation was in progress. Let us see an example. Ellen dropped her bag while she was getting into her car. So a single completed past event or the past continuous to describe the situation that existed at that time. Okay, we use simple past to talk about a single completed past event. So Ellen dropped her bag. That is the simple past action. And past continuous used to describe the situation that existed at that time. So what was the situation? She was getting into the car. Use either the past continuous or simple past or past perfect to talk about things we intended to do but didn't. For example, we were meaning to call in and see you, but Jane wasn't feeling well. Or we can say, we meant to call in and see you, but Jane wasn't feeling well. So here, we intended an action to do, but we didn't.